How to fix your flat tire with slime. Right, you gotta loosen your wheel nuts before lifting the car. Now lift your car. Once you have your wheel off the ground, take it out. Get your valve tool and take the valve out of the tire. Now just let all the air out of the tire. If you have trouble putting the sealant in, push it in by air pressure a little bit at a time. Just put the sealant in. Put your valve back in the tire, or your new valve if that is the case. Inflate the tire back to 45 psi. Okay, so what you want to read now is 35 psi. Now put your wheel back on. Now get your tire back on the floor. Now you can have tighten your wheels by hand when the tire was in the air. After you lower it, then you can tie the bolts to close to between 95 and 100 foot-pounds. You're ready to start driving again. Put your tire valve cap back on just in case the valve stem leaks air. Just make sure it don't leak. Now you want to run your car for about 5 minutes at about 55-60 miles, 45, doesn't matter, for the seal to spread around the tire, for it to seal good. So there you go, no more flat tire. That's how you fix a flat tire with slime.